be ashamed of yourself. What the hell do you think you're doing? So wrong. Baby, all I do is try. One and only God, no matter who may come. What is up, my beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a soft glam makeup tutorial for you guys. I was going to do a talk through, but reasonably I'm just like, if I did a talk through, this would take me 2 hours to film, okay, because I just get sidetracked really fast. So I'm just like, you know what, I'm gonna let my actions speak louder than my words, and I'm gonna just show y'all rather than tell you guys what I'm doing. And then I will go ahead and link everything down below. So if you guys are interested in watching, keep on viewing, and let's get into this look because sis is about to serve every single look. Oh, I'm excited. Let's get into this look.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I'll be down with what you go. Wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day or night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be down.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching-ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his spill silicone and real bless. Can a blow breeze from the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Not like, ease out. Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm loving it. It's so like, it's warm, it's soft, it's neutral, it's not super dramatic, but it's also not super harsh. It's it's balanced. And on top of that, there's not a whole lot of product on my skin. As you guys can see, I learned this technique from TikTok, where you do the whole contour and then you do foundation and then you do concealer, and technically it's like you're using less but you're still getting the same look. And as you guys can see, this is the final look. It's so cute. I'm ready to take some pictures. Sis, blendage is blending everywhere. I love this. Yeah, I'm loving this. But anyways, guys, this is the final look. This is it. Let me know what you guys think down below. Comment down below, because I definitely want to bring you guys another tutorial. I think probably the next one that I would bring would be more of like a simple everyday makeup look. My simple everyday makeup look, it's similar to this, but it's not. I'm more so using drugstore friendly products. Today I did use a little bit more of higher end products, some of them at least. But let me know what you guys think down below. And if you like this video, y'all already know what to do. Subscribe if you haven't, because your girl definitely has tons and tons of beauty content coming towards you guys. But I'm excited. I love this final look. It's flawless. It's beautiful. Sis is ready to stunt. But yeah, that's all that I have for you guys today, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Tune in.